So we're going to keep walking to see how long it is before it stops, or we can, as far as we can get. And so eventually it would have met up with what is the M90 now and carried on towards Perth. Let's see if we can find some more little gems before we finish. It's just a tree trunk. We're just going to go and have a look down here because we've spotted, looks like an abandoned cottage. Oh wait, line side up.
Oh yeah. How could you see that last time?
Because we walked over the top of it.
I thought you run down here.
I did, but I didn't take any notice of this, I just walked past it.
Oh, yeah. That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Somebody use it?
No, it looks like what would have been the fireplace has been broken, or bricks have dropped out. You can go in.
I'm bothered. I'm not going to get back down this hill.
There's a bench in here.
There is.
Yeah. I'm not sure whether this is actually railway related. I'm not sure whether somebody's made this after. There's a lot of sleepers, but it doesn't look like a line side up to me. I might be wrong. Somebody might be able to correct me in comments. I'm not sure that's a line side up. I'm wondering whether it's just, why would you put it there? It don't make any sense, does it? That's another nice viaduct, isn't it? And the banking full of snowdrops.
Yeah.
I've blocked it up since we last come.
Seeing the window.
Yeah, you can look inside.
If it was a farmhouse then.
Maybe.
There's another one here as well.
Not in brilliant condition, is it? And there's another one here.
I just said there's another one here. Shame, isn't it?
Yeah. I think that's some kind of house. Been some kind of house.
Yeah, look at all the snowdrops here.
Wow, there's loads of them.
Gosh.
Not much of a roof left on this, is there?
They're two separate rooms, aren't they?
Yeah.
So you don't think they're two separate cottages, surely? There's no door to get through there.
It's there.
Well, you'd have to come out if you were in bed and go back in there.
Unless this has been a barn. This could have been a stable, couldn't it? And that's been that's been the house for it.
Yeah.
It'd make sense, wouldn't it?
Yeah. There's no more though.
Whoa, look at all these snowdrops here, Shell. Be careful not to stand on any of these, there's a little bit of a path. This looks like it's been some kind of house. Old sash window. So let's see. Not much of this left now. Looks like an old fireplace just down there. And there's another one just there. Old red piping. That's a sash window. Jeff. And bars at window. We've had a cracking view before these trees. You just think steam train going across viaduct. Had a good view from the other side. There's an old sash window in.
There is.
Yeah, no glass in it. Hot floor's gone, roof's gone.
What was this then? Do you reckon?
This is our house, this bit looks of it. This is looks like bedrooms.
It's still got shelves in.
Yeah.
Like paint peel.
I know.
It's the old plaster. What do you call it?
Lath, is it? Looks like there's an old shelf there. That ceiling fitting will be Bakelite, won't it?
Yeah, but it's dark. You
Yeah.
know, when you can't just make out. There must be a light switch somewhere where it's on this wall.
There was something hanging down at the back, but it looked like the wall had collapsed.
Ivy's up,
Yeah, it's ivy up the bridge, the viaduct. There's an abandoned building here. Whoa, look at this one.
The roof's gone on this, isn't it?
Yeah.
get in it, maybe. Unless you can get around the other side.
You might be able to.
Mm.
This has got sash windows in as well.
Right. And it looked like it had a thing that come out of the door at the top. Well, that's spooky-fied, isn't it?
Yeah.
And some chain here.
Yeah, I wonder what that's held.
But if you look up there, it's like one of them.
Yeah, like a pulley.
Yeah. I wonder if it like you fastened it off with that.
Yeah, maybe. Looks like there's some steps to something there.
Mm.
And it's some kind of like loading platform.
Oh, look at that old sink. Belfast sink, isn't it?
Yeah.
In one piece.
Yeah. This has seen better days, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder if it's been a farm or something.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Looks like there's been some kind of light fitting there, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. It's like gas.
No, it's electric. It looks
it?
like it says on and off on it.
Oh no.
It's been a farm, hasn't it? Got to have
Yeah.
been.
Chimneys. Oh, insulators at work.
It's got to have been a farm, this show. Got to have been.
Yeah.
There's the old troughs are there.
The old what?
The old cattle troughs are over there.
What are you doing?
Yeah, it's been a farm.
So I wonder if they belonged to it then. Cottages.
Maybe. Because where animals go, they're all in there.
Oh, the animals?
No, the troughs things.
I'm not climbing up there.
See if you look, they've got like
There's another building down there.
troughs. We'll have a look down there. So I wonder if that's the farmhouse.
I wonder if that them steps were for.
Maybe that looks like would have been the farmhouse, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What a shame.
Can you get in there? I bet you can't, can you?
I don't know, I don't know, go from the other way.
Oh, it doesn't look like you can there.
No, it looks a bit overgrown, doesn't it? I wonder what this would have been. I managed to get round this side. This must have been a farmhouse. It's not the best, is it?
No. The kitchen in them.
Yeah. Ooh.
What?
What's left of this? Water tank. Looks like that would have been a fireplace up there.
How did you get in?
Hey?
How the hell did you get in here?
Looks like there would have been a light switch here.
Well, the light's hanging down on the wire, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there's a door up there, so it must have been a bedroom.
Yeah, there's a light switch.
Oh yeah. It's like a water tank, that.
Yeah, water tank there. That looks like it's fallen through its ceiling.
Yeah.
And door up there.
I know, I've said it looks like it's fallen down, doesn't it?
A little bit of old wallpaper. How cool's that? I don't suppose light's going to be on, is it?
Don't touch it.
Light's not working.
And do you know what it's got outside? One of them things where you scrape your feet when you come in.
Oh yeah, my granddad had.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's cool, isn't it?
A doorbell here.
There's a couple of light switches there. You see them?
No, I say it's a doorbell.
We'll ring it, see if anybody answers.
No, it's not one in the batteries have gone. We're supposed to be in the farmhouse though, mustn't it?
Yeah, it's got to then. There's a bolt on back at the door, like an hook to hold the door back.
Oh yeah.
I'm not pulling that because it might end up.
The ceiling's held up with it. Look.
Oh yeah. Boot scraper. So you put your boots on there, scrape your mud off. That's cool, isn't it?
That's nice,
Yeah. But everybody feels a need to break the windows. Why? Why can't they just leave it alone? That's a better shot at boot scraper. You can
might be able to
just about make out the old cooker, the Aga. On that back wall there's like a black tube coming out at the wall. See if we can get round and see
you
it.
can get to the other window over
We
there.
might be able to, yeah.
You can't get around that side. It took me on my time.
No.
Well, you might.
We'll go this way, I'm not risking it, it's a bit dangerous.
Prickles. No, the prickles got you.
Alright.
You can get round.
Yeah. You can see the old fireplace here, Shell. Oh, look at them windows, look at that cupboard.
You made me jump then.
It's a tiled fireplace.
Thought his overalls were still hanging up then.
No, it's curtains.
Ah.
There's a back to the fire.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that up there's fireplace, it's out at window.
Oh. Oh, this is another room.
Yeah.
Is it?
It's another room, this.
Another fire.
Another fireplace up there. And there's another fireplace at that side.
So where's that?
That Aga is in that lot there, which I ain't going in there.
You can see. You might be able to just put your camera.
You might be able to put
there.
the camera through it back.
Oh, there's another cupboard.
Another fireplace. paint peel on the window.
Did you see what's on
It's a shame.
There's a fair amount of stuff falling into that room because there's only a bit of fireplace left.
I know.
It's a big house, isn't it?
Yeah, it's huge. I'm not sure whether you can see it from this side, I can't tell. Still got a couple of chimney pots on it though, hasn't it?
Yeah. Must have been a nice big farmhouse.
Yeah. Well, if you think there wouldn't have been many trees here,
No.
would there?
No.
Right, let's go. Oh, this looks like a sawmill.
Put a cat hole in it before.
Oh dear. Yeah. Ooh. They're big saws, aren't they?
Ooh.
That's proper vintage, isn't it?
So was that work boot?
Yeah. He's chopped his toe off and all. It's got to have been electric, this, hasn't it? Oh, I bet it's not, you know.
What do you mean, gas?
Well, either that or it's been powered by a traction engine.
Alright.
Because like that's one of the belts that you'd have on a traction engine.
Hang on.
Or there's been some kind of engine here. They put that round big flywheel on them.
Right.
And then it powers it, doesn't it?
Yeah, well these have got big belts on.
Yeah. Unless there has been a motor here.
Well, there's an electric box there.
Yeah. Yeah, it says Perth on that one as well.
Oh, it's a workshop. You see if there's any lights on?
Yeah. It's quite a find, isn't it?
In his workshop.
Old barrel. Why smash everything up?
Oh, his toilet.
I don't get why they smash everything up. Why? Must have been some kind of vent, maybe heater here, you think?
Maybe a cook.
It's like some kind of rolls. It rolls on there. And they still roll. Look at that band. These little windows.
How's it doing that?
So it looks like there's an old farm there, and then this would have been a sawmill. I'm not exactly sure how it was powered. Looking at it, I'd say possibly as some kind of motor, steam engine. Maybe, not sure. When you loot,
Yeah.
you could just fall down.